Hello and welcome to this special edition and coverage regarding Bandhan Bank. As it's the stock in focus, the Reserve Bank of India has given the lender a go-ahead to open more than 40 branches all across India, and this comes after the Reserve Bank had put curbs on the bank to open any new branches. Let's get more details on this with Mr. Chandra Ghosh, the MD and CEO of the bank. Thank you, Mr. Ghosh, for speaking to us. Sir, if you could tell us, you got an approval for opening 40 branches. What is the target timeline in order for these 40 branches to be operational? Do you look at it from March end perspective?
If you see that there is the plan on these 40 branch will be opened by December 2018. And we already opened 5 branches yesterday.
Okay.
And other branches will be like to be on that.
Okay. And Mr. Ghosh, the talk that we were doing with respect to 40 branches with the RBI, was it a pending request post the RBI issued notification on curbs for opening new branches? Were you in discussion already with the Reserve Bank of India?
There is a Reserve Bank of India has given that the notification to us to open the new branches is needed prior their approval. So we asked for 40 branch approval, they given 40 branch approval, and accordingly we are opening these 40 branch in this month.
Okay. And sir, once you open these 40 branches, what about the approvals for the new branches? Will you have to go again and again to RBI for opening up new branches, or is there any pre-approval that you will be taking for opening new branches?
If you like to further open as per the current notification, we have again go to the RBI for their approval, and then we can.
Okay, and will this mechanism, slow your earlier targeted, branch opening, targets? Because given the fact that when you did the IPO, you were, quite aggressive on the branch opening front. Now, since there are curbs, do you think this will slow down the entire process versus what you targeted earlier?
Not like that. We are not aggressive in that sense, because the first 2 years we have been open lots of branches, 938 branches. When I open this month with the 40 branches, that means the 978 branches will be like to presence. And other than this, we have the microcredit office called the DSP. We have opened in this year 275 new DSP open, which is now 3,010. So altogether, it is nearly 4,000 banking outlets to provide the credit and deposit services to the customer. I hope that is a very good network. We are one of the best, one of the highest network among the private sector bank. I hope that maybe the fourth largest.
Okay.
So in that sense, it is very good number of that. But of course, we will be like to every year will be open some new branches and new doorstep service center according to plan. And if it is needed the prior approval, we will go, and I hope that will be like accordingly processed.
Okay. And Mr. Ghosh, the entire issue revolves around the higher shareholding of the promoter Bandhan Financial Holdings, which has to get down its stake. So what would be the preferred route, according to you, for getting down the promoter stake? Will it be an M&A opportunity, which would be a first preference to an open market sale?
There is you already mentioned the two things, your question. And we are working on both simultaneously on that. And accordingly, whichever has come to the first, it will be like to go to first. And we hope that it is very much closely we are working to compliance with the RBI guidelines. And very soon we will be like to, or as early as possible, we will like to come to you again with my exchange to inform about the update of this issue.
Okay. And sir, one final question, for the benefit of our viewers and for the investors, there has been a news report which suggests that, few key managerial personnel of, Bandhan Bank have quit the bank to open their own microfinance business. Will this have some kind of an impact on the management bandwidth or the business of Bandhan Finance?
They left, this is old news. They left in the 3 months before, not today. No, and many people have joined in the Bandhan Bank. So someone joined from SBI, who was a very senior most CPM in there. And someone joined from Yes Bank for retail business. One joined from Deutsche Bank for wholesale banking. One joined from digital banking from HDFC. And one of the SME had joined from Axis. The last 3 months, the many people have joined in that team, and we have the internal team. And that team also gradually we are building their capacity to handle the growth of future. So I feel that the Bandhan is a very much the concern about the team building, existing and external new people mixed, and which can be run based on the growth of the future of the bank. Not today only, it is the next 3 to 5 years how it can be grown back. So this is there, not any very big challenge for us.
Okay, Mr. Ghosh, thank you so much for speaking to Bloomberg Quint and taking out your time. So that was the management of Bandhan Bank, talking about how they will be opening 40 new branches in the next few days or so. And for further ramp up of new branches, Bandhan Bank will have to approach the banking regulator, which is RBI, for further permissions. The stock quite active, 7% up for Bandhan Bank right now. With that, it's a wrap on this special coverage on Bandhan Bank. For more details and for this coverage, do log on to bloombergquint.com.